Hello, this is Ethan Jenkins, and we're back again today with a TC tip with Ethan. Today, I'm going to go into the job board on Terrapins Connect to see how you can get your next job. So let's jump right in. From the Home tab on Terrapins Connect, you can go to the newly named Jobs tab on the top right ribbon. From here, you're going to click on the blue box here that says Explore Jobs. Here, you're going to be presented with many jobs, but don't get overwhelmed because there's very unique ways to filter down to exactly what you're looking for. So from here, they are all sorted from most recent to oldest. So you can be assured that if you're seeing something here, you're likely one of the first people to apply if it's towards the top. Also, what makes Terrapins Connect very unique is that it acts as almost a funnel for most job websites online. So this pulls different jobs from Indeed, LinkedIn, and many other job board sites and brings them here for Terps to show not only a wide variety of different companies, but it'll also say that some different connections you have or Terps on the platform that are in those companies or in those roles. And it gives you a really easy way to just reach out directly to them to get some more information. So going into some ways that you can filter down what exactly you're looking for. Say there's a very specific thing you're looking for here. You can use the search bar to search companies from anything from IBM, Amazon, Toyota, Apple. I've almost seen it all on this platform, or industries or specific roles. So here, let me just say, maybe I'm a civil engineer and I am looking for jobs post-graduation. So I will search civil engineer into the search bar and it'll bring up anything that references civil engineering on the platform. You can also stack these filters by not Xing out of them when they're done. So say I go into here and I go job type and internship. Now it's just going to pull internships in the civil engineering field. So whenever you're done with a filter, always make sure to clear those filters. That way you're not impacting future searches. But a little more now, we'll go into location. Say you live in the DC area now and you don't really want to explore jobs in other places. By putting in DC or any location, you can hit apply and it'll search jobs within a 20-mile radius of that area. You can also search through industries on the platform. They have plenty of both interests and specific studies on here. So say we're interested in accounting, but also diversity, equity, and inclusion. It's going to pull all jobs that reference both of those things. So always know that they do stack within industries. You can also go into more filters to search through alum, faculty, staff, and students in the job pool. So let's explore a specific job here on the platform. We can see exactly where this position is, as well as what the position is. You can also see who posted the job on the platform, and you can reach out directly to them to get some more information if you ask. Here we can also see a job description, as well as the date it was posted on and the date it expires, to get a little more sense about where you are in the timeline of the job posting. These job postings also come with job requirements on top of the job description to get a little more about knowledge about what you need to enter the job, as well as the industries that are referenced for the job. For most of these positions, you can apply directly on the platform for the positions you want, and then track them through the Terrapins Connect platform. So I hope this little tip helped, and go Terps.